Guys, do you want to know which software is required for running Java programs? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to install latest Java JDK on your Windows machine. So let's start the video, guys. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and just search for JDK download. And guys, here you can see official website oracle.com. You need to click on this Java downloads link. So guys, it will redirect you to download page, and here you can see we have Java downloads available. JDK 20 LTS, that is long time support. Here we will be installing this JDK. So guys, here we have different operating systems, so we will be selecting Windows. So here we will be taking x64 MSI installer. So to download this, just click on this link, and guys, you can see the download has been started and it is done, guys. So now to start the installation, we need to click on this MSI file. Let me close my browser, and here guys, we need to click on next button, and here guys, it is showing me the location where my JDK will be installed. So it will be installed in this location, C:\program file Java, under that JDK folder. If you wish to change, click on change button, otherwise you can click on this next button. And now guys, it has started installing and the installation is done. Here it is showing me successfully installed, guys. So I'm going to click on close button. So your installation is done, guys. Now if you want to use this Java program anywhere in any other ID, so you need to set the path in the environmental variable. That step is important, otherwise you may get error that Java is not recognized. So let's do that. So I will be going to my installation location. So here C:\program file Java, and here select the JDK, and under that select bin, guys. And now you need to copy this path. Okay, so copy this path and then search env, that is edit the system environmental variable. So it will open this window. Here you need to click on environmental variable button, and now guys, under system variable we will be clicking on new button. So here I am going to create a new variable Java_home, and in variable value I am going to paste the path which I have copied, but I am going to remove this /bin and click on OK. And now guys, we are already having path variable. If you don't have, you can again click on new button and create. Now we will edit this, so select and click on edit button, click on new button here and paste the copied path, guys, and click on OK, OK, OK 3 times. So path setting is done, guys. Now my JDK setup is done. I can run any Java program by using any of the ID or editor. So now here I'm just starting command prompt by typing cmd in search box, and here I'm typing Java space -- version, and you can see, guys, it's showing me the version of Java. It's not showing me any error. That means the installation is successful. Okay, this way you can install Java JDK on your system and you can run your Java program. So I hope, guys, by following my video you are really able to install JDK and you are able to use it. Guys, if really my video has helped you, then don't forget to hit on like button and share my videos with your friends also, guys. And if you have any kind of query, you can put in comment box or you can send me on Instagram, but before sending you need to follow me on Instagram, otherwise I will not get your message, guys. And guys, I'm there on different social media. You can follow me or join me. The link of all my social media is in description box. You can join my Telegram channel for various PDF and notes. So guys, I have other channel also, Code with Sunita. There I teach coding in Hindi. Certainly you can join if you are interested in learning coding in Hindi. So please subscribe to that channel also. And guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit on bell icon to receive notifications from this channel. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning, guys.